Welcome to solverfy.
We have 0.370 mole of M2O3, and then the total mass of this compound is 55.4 gram. So first of all, we have to find out the number of mole of oxygen. Okay, so in order to find out the number of mole of oxygen in the compound, first of all, we have to determine um, the number of moles of our compound, but already is already given, so 0.370 moles. Okay, so from here, for each of the our compound, each of them. So say we only have one of M2O3, only one of them. For each of them, we will have three oxygen because M2O3. So each of them will be three oxygen. Okay, therefore, if we have 0.37 0 mole of our compound, the number of mole of oxygen should be equal to 0.370 mole times 3. So we have 3 times 3, 1.11 moles of our oxygen. 1.11 mole of our oxygen. Okay, so what would be the mass of our metals? The mass of the metals. So we have N2O3. The total mass is 55.4 gram. Okay, so if we subtract the mass of oxygen, then we can find out the remaining mass if we corresponding to metals. So again, we refer to part A. The number of mole of oxygen is 1.11 mole. So the mass of oxygen will be equals to 1.11 mole times the molar mass, which will be equal to 16 gram per mole. So we should be able to find that it's around roughly 17.77 gram of oxygen. Okay, so for the mass of metal, so we just take the total mass, 55.4 minus 17.76 gram. So 55.4 minus 17.76 gram. We roughly have 37.6 gram for our metal. Okay, so what would be the identity of our metal? So we have 37.6 gram of a metal, 6 gram of a metal, and then the formula is M2O3. And also at the same time, we know that it's a 0.370 mole of this compound. So therefore, first of all, we just need to find the number of mole of our metals. The number of mole of our metals will be equals to 0.370 times 2, because for each of them, they have two metal. So we have 0.370 times 2. So equals to 0.740 mole of our metals. Okay, so we have to find the molar mass. So the molar mass is equals to the, we know number of moles equals to mass over molar mass. If we want to rearrange that, we know that is we have our mass over our number of moles. So the mass already given is 37.6 gram, and the number of moles is 0.740 mole. And then we are going to plug in the calculator to find out what will be the number. So it's around roughly 50.8 gram per mole. So we are going to go back to our periodic table and look for the one that's the metal that's have a closer molar mass. So I believe 50.8. So look for the metals, 50.8. Yeah, because for the calculation, there will be maybe some winding up or winding down. So we are looking for the closest value. The closest that I found will be vanadium, with roughly around 50.94 gram per mole. 50.94 gram per mole. So the metal will be vanadium.